Hey everybody, Kyle at Hilly Ridge Sales and Service here. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Hilly Ridge How To. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 3 most common questions that we get about changing engine oil in your lawnmower. The 3 most common questions that we get about engine oil is number 1, can I use automobile oil in my lawnmower? The second question being, what weight oil should I use? And then the third question being, when should I change my engine oil? To answer the question of, can I use automobile oil in place of a small engine oil? No, I would not recommend using an automobile oil. The reason being is because the 2 oils are formulated very differently. The automobile oil is formulated for fuel economy and emissions, whereas the small engine oil is formulated to fight against heat and wear. The difference between the 2 is going to be the zinc content that's found in the small engine oil. There's very little to no zinc content found in an automobile oil. The reason for the zinc in the small engine oil is because of the extreme operating conditions that small engines normally operate under. That zinc is there to prolong the life of the oil, thus protecting the engine. So what weight engine oils would I recommend? If you have a lawnmower that has a Toro engine, I would recommend a 10W30. If you have a lawnmower that has a Kawasaki engine, I would recommend a 10W40. And then if you have a lawnmower that has a Kohler engine, I would recommend a 10W30. If you have a lawnmower with an engine that's over 30 horsepower, I would recommend a 20W50. So when should you change your engine oil? All 3 of these oils, the Toro, the Kawasaki, and the Kohler, recommend changing their oil at 1 year or 100 hours, whichever comes first. Thanks for watching this episode of Hilly Ridge How To. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those below. And also, we do really appreciate it when you guys like our videos and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out so we can continue to put these videos out for you all. Again, thank you for watching. God bless. Have a great day.